sure. Hmm. It's also really low. Okay, that's playing through the main thing. Test. Nope. Not what I wanted. How about now? No. I am so confused. Uh, well, I can still hear myself. How about now? Okay, that's even worse. What in the hell did this thing even do? Let's go back to the creative one for a minute. Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh, hey. That seems to work. But why is this working correctly and the other shit is not? Also, does this have my filter set like I wanted it? Yes. And yes. Oh, hey, how you doing? I guess I should explain. It's been a couple of days with me just kind of like screwing around here. I had Bazite set up on this system and it was going pretty good, and then I realized that I couldn't really install a lot of the stuff I wanted to like install, so it kind of went screwy, and yes, so like I just decided more or less last night in the 11th hour that I was going to go ahead and just wipe Bazite off of here. Um, hey, and just like start putting Fedora on here. And it's been a long day of just like being at a council, like doing all the things. So I put DaVinci on here. It took a while to get past like the multiples of multiples of stupid commands that I had to throw in. So it's just kind of it's kind of wild. But I also was kind of just looking up guides to do all this. But also, most of these, they like, even though the search I did for this says like Fedora, like they don't often give you the Fedora equivalent of all that. And I could try to I could try to do a number of things here, but like okay, most of these require like some kind of restart, which I'm not gonna quite do at this current juncture. I do have like this video card though too, and I was wanting to get this working, but I can't do that on stream. This is from them. However, what I was going to do is some of the things I want to do, which is I guess I'll just like to get this started, do something dumb, say dumb, install. Did I download any? I don't necessarily need to install any of these. Set up for what? Oh, cakewalk. No, thank you. Okay. Bear with me. All right. Oh, whoops. I'm an idiot. Sure. No. Oh, I'm being an idiot. Sorry, it's also been kind of a long day. Oh, wait. Am I being silly here? Oh, I'm a real idiot here. Sorry. Brains and how do they work? I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm like totally trying to skip to the next section without skipping to the next section. Okay. Now, yes, a little over it. Um, I started a little before the 12-year mark. The 12-year mark is where everything hard reset, and they they kind of reset my channel like in a weird way. It was like the main change was they went from like my username to the real name stuff, and when that happened, it kind of did a channel reset for me, where like I was more or less forced to abandon my old channel in favor of the new one. Doesn't really matter. I'm just doing this to get my thing started here. Okay. Because what I should be able to do is browse these little file files here. I don't need the dumb guy, but I'm going to leave the dumb guy on there. So what I should be able to do is, where'd I go? Boom, not there. Old shiz. Games. I should totally just be able to do this, right? Just gonna move these here because I don't need them. Okay, so I should be able to just tell this to install and it should install, right? Um, the only okay, so but yeah, it was kind of screwed up that they kind of made me just kick rocks and do the thing. All right, games, that one. C drive, program files, that one, that one, that one. Yes. Okay. I don't think it really matters because I don't think it's going to do. Okay. I have none of these installed yet, so we're not going to do that yet. Damn it. I wasn't thinking about that because I totally need to go and download some new Proton guys. Uh, yes, gripping stuff. Uh, but yeah, so like this has been my newish capture gear, and it's like I said, I had it like set up in Bazite. I had a bunch of stuff set up. I was kind of doing pretty well with it, and then I was trying to install that mainly the capture card driver because I have a 4K capture card that everybody says it's fine to use, but like I could not seem to get it to work whatsoever. And it has been a little bit of a thorn in my side, if we're being honest. I still don't know if this has like the newest version of this or not, but it's fine for the moment. Um, but yeah, my little Steam Deck, I had all my icons, and now I have no icons. But I have nothing prepared because I just, like I said, I think I installed this stuff at like 5 in the morning yesterday, and I just kind of did it and went to bed and didn't really like. I kind of screwed with a couple things today, but like why I screwed with earlier was trying to get that capture card to work, and I could not really get it to work for like a number of reasons. The same way, like even with the DaVinci Resolve, it's like this was a laundry list of missing packages, but then I went through and installed them all the missing packages, and apparently you got to make it ignore that one, um, which is a gigantic pain in the ass. Uh, okay. Um, which after I get this EM one, I should do that first because like now that I'm thinking of it, the EM the EM one is the one that was pretty solid for Fruity Loops. Let me close this. It might actually require like restart before it actually shows them, but hopefully it's cool and show it like does it on the fly. Um, which I think I can do it through the. Might have to do it through the installers on here too. Why am I doing that? It's where it used to live, not where it currently lives. All right. D da da do da da da. Yay! That's one. Um, I don't think any of this stuff even matters. What? Screw it, anywho. All right. I think that's fine. It should be fine. Hopefully, it is fine. This will probably come up in trial mode again because it's going to be under a different key now. Hey, maybe? It's trying so hard. May in fact have to reinstall it. Hoping not. Hmm. I wonder why you break. Hmm. Might have to give it a working directory. I want this. Crash. No. Okay. Is that what it wants? I've done this before without that much, or maybe it's just like it can't install the prefix. Uh, but if I haven't done it, is it gonna matter? No. I may have to just reinstall this, call it a day. All right. Okay. So instead of that, this is gonna be really dumb. I doubt this is gonna want to work. And it totally works. Kind of. uh, you heard it, I just can't move it yet. Alright. Now. Okay. That seems to be working pretty well. I don't care. That is gonna learn it, load everything. Actually, I don't know why I did that. Just do the. There. I could swear there was a demos. Right? Am I ridiculous? I could have swore there was like a. Okay, that's not that one because it doesn't go to that one. Okay, that makes sense in a weird way. Can I bring back up my thing? It's fine. There's nothing here. All right. Kind of in my own way here. Um, this may want to work because it's the preview thing of the preview thing. Um, no. Oh, lots of missing samples. Is it all missing samples? Not quite. Why does that sound so goofy? I mean, it works. Proof of concept. There you go. Once again, do not have any of my stuff, anything going on. I will screw with that more later. No. Um, I just wanted to see, quite honestly, if that would just work. Um, Not a great way to do that at all. But I guess it works. So it's fine. Sort of. I really don't want to like raw dog install every last one of them, but I don't know. I don't know an easier way to do any of that at all. Quite honestly. Um, which, like I said, I thought this would just work, but I guess it doesn't have. I guess I would have to like assign it the line prefix from like this one, maybe. But I'm not sure. I guess we do that, or will we do the whole thing? Yeah, that just tells me it gets screwed every which way. Really wild. I mean, I guess I could just like, well, that wouldn't work either. Not great. Do I want to just kind of work on some buttons? Yeah, sure. Let's work on some buttons. Okay. No, we need OBS. Okay. And again. So last time I did this, it did not want to do it unless I basically unless I did two of them, it did not want to do it. Because the other one, when you had okay, I can't really test this currently because bad things. But last time I did this, like if I didn't do the change state and all that, it would not. It would not do it. It's really, really dumb, but here we are. Um, well, one of the things I did want to do was play the dumb little song that I made, I guess. So let's do that again. Okay. Pre-roll has been disabled. Yay! Everything sounds weird. This doesn't seem like it works correctly. But hey, whatever. So I'm using these new Bluetooth headphones, and everything through them sounds like I'm underwater, and I don't know if that's coming through on the stream as much. Like, I don't know if this sounds like it's underwater now. I just don't know. It says it's fine. See, here's the problem though, too. No. So I guess I would go here, here. Yes. It's really dumb. I kind of hate it. Program files, I guess. Well, there's demo projects I've been looking for. Data? No. Why is that completely different on this one? No, it's not going to be there either. Oh, also, I'm an idiot too. Let's do this again. Because I think it did. Yes. I think it saved them to here. I think. Or maybe I just lost that one in the sauce. Where the hell? Hey, no, I don't want. Why? Why do you hate? Deep breaths. Not that. Not that. Oh yeah, I removed it from there and put it in the other. Or well, no. God damn it. Which the users will wrap right around to the other one, right? No. How annoying. I am so at a loss. Where the hell that would have saved that? Okay, let's just go in here real quick. So A should have been in here. Holy shit, man. Nope. I have no idea where the hell that would have saved that. Uh, and there is nothing here. I am just baffled on where it could have went. I am confused. Maybe it's lost to time. Maybe I didn't copy it. Maybe it's saved off somewhere into the ether and I did not copy that before I nuked the hard drive. But it seems kind of weird that that loops right back around, right? No. Because it should be somewhere like here in particular. It should be in here somewhere. I am so just. It's kind of funny because, like, sitting here trying to do this on a stream is probably the most boring thing on the face of the planet and all that, and I get that. Thanks. Uh, I was hoping, but I wasn't too hopeful. It's just plugins. Okay. Maybe I just got 8 then. Because the only other place. It wouldn't have been in here. Definitely wouldn't have been in there. Okay, I guess that's from FL 11. It will totally not do that. Can I drag that in there? No, hell no. Oh yeah, I also have to close that out. Uh, hmm. Ha ha ha. Hey. Yes, I know. You want me to buy things. Oh, it isn't even gonna do it. It's like, nope. No, thank you. It's fine. That's not. I don't think it's in even that one. I don't think it's in that one. It's not in that one. I am at a loss. I am completely at a loss, and I'm frustrated. Probably more frustrated than anybody that decided to watch this. Dear God. Been going at this for an hour already. Once again, once I turn this shit off, it'll be like, oh, there it is. Why wouldn't it be right there? I give up for right now. Uh oh. Oh, hey. I would also like to know what the hell is wrong with this thing. Hello? Okay. Hey, look at that. Okay, that should be working. Let's get out of that. Like I said, I just wanted to screw around for a little bit and show those total mess of shit that I've done here. What? Excuse me. I'm an idiot. Not that one. Boop. Look at that. Now I'm just like, what the fuck? Well, I do want to add the monk. Which I think I had to re-download a different GIF of this so it actually worked. Or no. But that's for